Cripps mission to India, proposing a new constitution and dominion status after World War II. However, Indian leaders were not satisfied, leading to the Quit India movement. Let's witness a meeting where prominent freedom fighters discuss their response. Seat opens in a meeting room at the All India Congress Committee in Bombay.
Constitution offers us dominion status, but with the condition that keeps us bound to the British rule. This is not the freedom we seek. Exactly, the proposal lacks clarity and does not grant us complete independence. It's a tactic to divide and delay our demands. We cannot accept this.
We cannot accept anything less than full sovereignty. The British are trying to weaken our resolve with empty promises.
They think they can placate us with half measures. We must show them that our quest for freedom is unwavering.
Indeed, we must reject the British proposal and continue to demand full independence. Our unity is our strength.
Cripps enters the room accompanied by British officers.
Gentlemen and Madam Naidu, I understand your concern. The Cripps mission is here to offer a solution beneficial to both Britain and India.
Mr. Cripps, we appreciate your efforts, but partial freedom is not freedom. Our people yearn for self-rule, not another form of subjugation. The proposal invites us but want to seek to and provinces. The choice to opt out. It is unacceptable. We must have a central government with real power, not a puppet show orchestrated by the British.
Our struggle is not just for political power, but for the rights and dignity of every Indian. We cannot compromise on our principles.
You must understand the world is at war. Cooperation with British would ensure a smoother transition to war.
Sir Cripps, our demands are not negotiable. We will not settle for anything less than complete independence.
If British government is not ready to grant us full freedom, we must intensify our struggle. We have decided to launch Quit India movement.
Very well, I will report your decision to my government. But know this, such devices will not be without consequences.
Despite the threats and challenges, Indian leaders remain steadfast in the pursuit of freedom. The Quit India movement marked a significant step in India's journey to independence.
Let us prepare to be like the nation. Our term is not widely resistant, but our resolve must be unbreakable.
We must encourage every Indian to rise with courage. The road ahead is difficult, but our goal is within reach.
Together we shall overcome. For every arrest, every setback will only strengthen our determination.
Indeed, our unity is our greatest weapon. Let us move forward with hope and strength.
We shall do or die, but we shall not submit. The time for India's freedom has come. I want complete freedom. Either we will liberate India or we will give up our lives. But we will not need to see our slavery. From today, our slogan will be British Leave India.
On August 9, Gandhiji was arrested and kept in Aga Khan Palace. Now the people of India had no direction. They only had Gandhiji's mantra, do or die.
Hey, I want to sit down. Sit down.
भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे ब्रिटिश ब्रिटिश
जान से प्यारा है सबसे गुलशन हमारा है भारत जान से प्यारा है सबसे गुलशन हमारा है सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन बलिदान है भारत जान से प्यारा है सबसे गुलशन हमारा है
Meanwhile, more than 60,000 people were arrested and many were killed. Gandhiji started fasting from 10th February.